This is the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019, and if you need to get to the car but your key fob doesn't work, you press the unlock buttons but it doesn't work, you have a backup metal key. So you need to press this button and then take out this metal key, and with the help of the metal key you can open your vehicle. It will start the alarm if you have the alarm set. And once you open the car, you need to sit here and now use your key fob to start the vehicle. So you may press the brake pedal, press this button with the key fob near the lock button, yeah, and it will start the car. You're ready to go. You may put it in drive and drive off. If you don't do that, the car will not know that the proper key fob is in the vehicle, and it will start the alarm. So this is how it works, and this is how you can get into the car if your key fob is dead.